When people think of Titan Alarm, they might picture something like this, or this, or this, or maybe even this. Let me show you what Titan Alarm really is. It's a sales rep arriving to work at 5 a.m. An engineer designing and building site maps. Account and install coordinators checking contracts and scheduling installations. It's the best customer service in the world. Sometimes the occasional ping pong or pool game. It's the voluntary service offered by selfless people. It's the people that make up Titan Alarm. Oh, you're asking about the text? Check this out. All of us together make up Titan Alarm. We aren't just any ordinary company. We are top-notch workers, bound together by strong core values that we share. We work hard. But why? Why do we do it? Why do we work so hard?
Staff come into the company, they get hired, they see our culture, and they want to be a part of it, and they don't know exactly what piece of the puzzle they're going to be when they're hired at Titan. And I love seeing their attitude and effort, which make us better as people and as a company every day, in the field, in the office, all the time.
It gives me true joy to see the results of what we do as a company. It makes me happy to come into work every day and to see that everybody that we're working with is also happy. It's not just the results of what we do is not just the security systems or the cameras or the fire systems or the cameras or the access control. Those are good. But what gives me joy is when I come in and I see all the people that are here and I hear about their families and that they enjoy the people they work with, and that when they do come into work, they're not dreading it. They're excited to come to work. They like the people they work with, and they are able to go home and attend soccer games or take care of their parents from time to time as needed, or be able to live their lives but also have employment that helps take care of their needs. That's the major reason why Mike and I started Titan, was to enable people to be able to live lives with their families but also make a living and be happy when they did it.
You know, I see the staff that interview at Titan and that get hired and come to the door and choose to work here every day. I'm grateful. I'm grateful to be working with good people, and I think sometimes we get confused. The purpose of life is not the accumulation of wealth, and I think a lot of us get distracted sometimes. So what advice do I have for them is to have a work-life balance. So my advice is to be more loving. Love your neighbor. But if we don't take care of ourselves every day, physically, mentally, emotionally, then we have little love to give.
Yeah, I guess if I had one last thing, it would be that you probably don't realize as an employee of Titan Alarm how much you are appreciated. When I say probably, I can say pretty well for sure. As we send around surveys and things, and as we check in with people from time to time, it's really hard to show everybody individually appreciation. But I am so extremely grateful for every single one of you. More than you could probably understand, but it's because of you that we are here, and because of you that we are that we've come as far as we have as a company. It's because of you that we have this culture and the space that we're in and the relationships that we have. And I wouldn't trade that for anything.
Here at Titan Alarm, we know our customers have a choice. There's many options out there. We didn't invent these products or services. We provide access, surveillance, security, and fire. But we like to tell our customers we care about what we do a little bit more than our competitors, and we truly believe that.